Round of 16, day 3. And for those of us cheering on the home team, this one stings. The United States, the last host nation standing, has been beaten by Belgium 4-1. Our World Cup journey is over, and in the day's other game, we said goodbye to a legend as Cristiano Ronaldo's final World Cup came to an end. It's a bittersweet day. Let's talk about it. We'll start in Dallas, where Spain and Portugal met in the tie of the round. And honestly, Spain were the better team all night long, creating chance after chance while Portugal hung on. It looked like it might be heading to extra time, until the 91st minute. Substitute Merino pounced at the near post to score the only goal of the game. Spain win 1-0 and march into the quarterfinals. And for Portugal, it's the end of an era. This was almost certainly the final World Cup for Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest to ever play the game. He leaves the tournament for the last time. Whatever your team, that's a moment worth tipping your cap to. And then, the one we were all watching, the USA against Belgium in Seattle. It started badly. Belgium struck inside 10 minutes, but then a spark. Tillman's shot took a deflection and looped in to level it at 1-1. And for a moment, belief. It didn't last. Charles de Ketelaere quickly restored Belgium's lead, and then things unraveled. A costly goalkeeping error handed Belgium a third, and Romelu Lukaku added a fourth deep in stoppage time. To make it worse, Christian Pulisic, the team's talisman, had to come off injured. Final score, Belgium 4, USA 1. It's a heavy defeat and a disappointing way for the host nation's tournament to end. Real quick, before we set the bracket, if watching this makes you want to build your own faceless sports channel, the tool I use to speed all this up is Video Express AI. You give it an idea, and it helps turn it into a finished video, the kind of thing that used to take me days. It's the honest truth of how I keep up with the whole World Cup. If you're curious, there's a link down in the description. All right, back to the football. So let's take a breath. It's a hard result, no way around it. But zoom out for a second. This young USA team reached the knockout stage of a World Cup on home soil. They gave us nights to remember. They got millions of new fans hooked on this sport, and the future is bright. Every one of our 3 host nations, Canada, Mexico, and now the USA, has been eliminated, so the home dream is over. But the tournament rolls on. Belgium's reward is a blockbuster quarterfinal against Spain, and there are still 2 more round of 16 ties to come tomorrow. Argentina against Egypt and Switzerland against Colombia. So we say thank you to the USA for the ride and goodbye to Ronaldo, a true great. The World Cup goes on without a host nation now, pure, open, and wide open for the taking. Stick with me because we'll cover every step to the final. Subscribe, ring the bell, and tell me down below. Who are you backing now that the hosts are gone? Until the next whistle. Thanks for being here. See you soon.